Ever wondered if you can print a photo straight from your phone onto a wall? In most cases, the answer is absolutely. In practice, the process comes down to a few simple steps. Hi, I'm Rafi, Wall Printer's CEO and an expert in wall printing. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how that journey looks, from a photo on your smartphone to a finished photorealistic print on the wall. The question I often hear regarding today's topic is, won't a phone photo be too low quality for a large wall? The answer is, it depends. But the good news is that modern phones take very high quality photos. Files from newer smartphones have enough resolution and detail to be perfectly suitable for large format wall printing. What does that look like in numbers? A photo taken on a fairly recent phone allows a sharp, detailed print of around 2 by 1.5 meters. That's more than enough to create a spectacular decoration, for example, above a sofa in a client's living room. Moving the photo to the wall printer only takes a moment. You can do it using a USB stick, and the process is the same on any phone, whether you're using an Android or an iPhone. While it's usually most convenient to prepare graphics on a computer, we've put together a quick guide for printing directly from a smartphone to meet your requests. Step 1 is planning the print size. If you want to be sure how large you can print your photo so the quality is still good, use our DPI calculator. I'll put the link in the description below as usual. The calculator takes seconds to work out if the file parameters match your planned wall dimensions. Do you need to do this every time? No. As long as you're printing a standard shot from a newer smartphone, you can safely skip this step. Step 2 is preparing the file. In a standard procedure, we'd save the file in TIFF format. But when printing from a phone, you can print directly in JPG format, without any conversion, and without setting up a color profile. Step 3 is moving the file from the phone to the USB stick and then to the printer. A dual connector device works best, with a classic USB at one end and a USB-C at the other, which fits most modern phones. Plug the stick into your smartphone. Copy the photo and unplug it. Then plug it into the Wall Printer Pro computer and move the file onto the machine's drive. Step 4 is ripping the photo. This means translating the file from a JPG or PNG format into a language the wall printer understands. It sounds complicated, but it's just a technical term, and the printer's computer does the hard work for you. Step 5 is starting the print. Press print on the control screen and you're good to go. The printer starts moving and applies the graphic to the wall. Sometimes even great shots look better with a few minor tweaks before printing. For example, boosting the colors, sharpening the image, or cleaning up an untidy background. You can polish everything on your smartphone in a few minutes using 3 mobile apps. The first is PhotoRoom, perfect for instant background removal. Imagine a real-life scenario. You want to print a dog on a nursery wall, but in the background of the photo there are toys scattered around and an ugly fence. Open the photo in PhotoRoom on your phone. The AI scans the image in seconds and cuts out the background, leaving just the dog and creating a clean design. Save it as a PNG with a transparent background directly to your gallery, and you're done. The second app is Canva, which is great for combining photos. Use this if you have, say, 2 holiday photos that you want to turn into a collage as a single print file. Open Canva on your smartphone, choose a template with the right proportions, drag both photos with your finger, and arrange them however you like. The third is Lightroom Mobile for instantly bringing colors to life. If your photo is okay but the colors are a bit flat, and the shadows are too heavy, the wall print might lose its charm. What do? Upload the photo to Lightroom Mobile and tap the auto button. The algorithm fixes the exposure for you. If you want the colors to be more saturated and vivid, just use the sliders to boost vibrance or contrast. The photo instantly gains depth and the colors become crisp and clear. Remember, the final effect on the wall depends on the graphic file. We've prepared a whole series of practical guides where you can learn how to prepare files perfectly in graphics software. Check out the other videos in the series to get the full picture from our daily practice. Now, let's quickly recap 5 important points from today's video. 1. Modern smartphones allow for sharp, photorealistic prints up to 2 by 1.5 meters in size. 2. Transferring the file is a breeze. Just use a dual connector USB and USB-C stick. Copy the file from your phone and upload it straight to the printer's control computer. 3. The DPI calculator is your safety net. If a client sends you a file and you aren't sure if the quality is high enough, our calculator will check it in seconds, guaranteeing a sharp print without pixels. 4. You don't need to be a graphic designer. Basic smartphone skills and a few intuitive apps are all you need to get the job done. Plus, the Wall Printers package includes technical training and access to a knowledge base from the ground up. 5. You're never on your own. If you have any technical issues or questions about graphics during a job, you have access to a private Slack channel. Our technical support responds in 3 minutes on average and is available from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., 7 days a week, including weekends. Our packages give you peace of mind during your projects and expert knowledge. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Fill out the contact form on our website and we'll tell you everything you need to know to get started. Thanks for today, and I'll see you in the next episode.